The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Start the installation by marking the wall mount location. Refer to the manual for the safety distances. Place the wall mount on the wall and secure it with the screws. Place the heater upside down on the ground and remove the screws from the electrical box. Make a hole in the rubber grommet. Insert the cable into the electrical box through the grommet. Crimping the power cable ends is mandatory. Connect the power cable to the terminal block according to the circuit diagram. In our case, the wires are numbered from 1 to 6 and are not color-coded. You may have color-coded wires. Ensure that the wire order leading to the heater and the HUUM main module is the same. Wire 1 goes to W. Wire 2 goes to V. Wire 3 goes to U. The yellow and green wire is the ground. Wire 4 goes to N. Steamer connections on the heater side. Wire 5 goes to SN. Wire 6 goes to SL. Secure the cable using a retaining clip inside the electrical box. Reinstall the cover panel with the drip tray holder. Ensure the openings on the cover panel face the back of the heater. Mount the heater onto the wall mounting plate and secure it using the bolts on the sides. Remove all protective films. Place the cover over the steamer, ensuring it sits properly. Insert the scent basin into the designated hole in the steamer cover. Position the retainer so it fits securely into the holes of the heater's metal slats. Position the spacers so they sit properly on the bolt heads. They may shift during transport. Slide the drip tray into its holder. Connect the heater to the HUUM main module. Use the same wire order as on the heater side. Wire 1 to W. Wire 2 to V. Wire 3 to U. Wire 4 to N. Steamer connections on the HUUM side. Wire 5 to SN. Wire 6 to SL. Yellow and green wire to ground. Before filling the heater with stones, ensure all components are correctly installed and properly in place. Do not place stones beneath the heating element retainer. Use thinner stones between the heating elements. Do not force them in, they should fit easily. Fill the heater completely so that the heating elements are not visible. Make sure the faucet on the water container is closed. Fill the container with up to 5 liters of clean water. After the sauna session is over, let the steamer to cool down a bit and then empty the container. The water is still hot. Be careful. To drain the tank, use a container, for example, a jug, to collect the water. Pull the handle or lever at the bottom of the heater towards you until the water flows. Do not let the steamer water tank run dry as a method of draining. This may reduce the heater's lifespan. For further questions, please visit our website HUUM.eu or contact your local reseller.